Hi, my name is Melissa Godfrey, and the learning game app that I chose to review is called IXL. And IXL is a great resource that can help students and teachers in um, making sure that students are retaining information as well as support students that need additional help and expand or extend learning for students that have mastered different skills. So as you can see, I'm on the IXL website, and all I did was Google IXL, and then I didn't even really need to put in a username and password. So I can explore all the different standards that are covered in IXL. So I'm scrolling down and I see that it's pre-K friendly, kindergarten all the way up until 12th grade, and then there's also a Spanish option. So um, I'm going to click on kindergarten because that's what I teach. So if I click on kindergarten, um, it's divided into math skills and language arts skills. So you can see there are 230 math skills that is covered for kindergarten and 101 language arts skills. So if I click on the math skills, it'll take me to different standards that are kindergarten standards. So if I want to know if a student has mastered identifying numbers up to 20, I can click on this, and then I could have a student um, complete this game. So it says pick every 20, and if I click on this, it'll read it to me. So students have to click on the number 20. What I do like about this is it's pretty simplistic and it does give good, valuable information. Um, and then it says you got it. So if I click on the wrong answer, pick every two. So say I clicked this. And then it says, sorry, it's incorrect. Um, and then there's an explanation. You can click got it. Pick every 8. So it's wrong. Then they give you an explanation at the bottom. So I do think that this is pretty simple. The problem is I don't think it's very engaging. So I think it's pretty simple. I think students can perform on this. I think they could it's accessible for children. I just don't know how engaging it would be for children. So we can also try another standard, maybe shapes. Which shape is a circle. Click submit. Terrific. And it would also be nice if when a student got it right, there was a sound or maybe a smiley face or a visual, because not all students would know a check mark and they might not be able to read terrific. Which shape is a circle? Let's try getting this one wrong. So I click square and it's not a square. So says this, and then it gives you an explanation. So the other problem with this is right here it says the shape you picked has straight sides. It's not a circle, but a student wouldn't be able to read that exactly in kindergarten. So I do think if a teacher is available to kind of sit near the student and support them in completing this, I think it could be helpful, or a teacher could get lots of ideas from this website. But it has so many skills, and it's a good quick check for students to see if they have retained the information and mastered a skill, or if they need more support. I do think that it would be more appropriate for upper grades. I think upper grades would do really well with this website. I just think for kindergarten in general, quizzes that are not interviews with a teacher are really difficult. But I do think it can be done. I just don't think it's very engaging. But I do think this is a supportive app for upper grades. So there's a lot covered. It does support students that get an answer incorrect, and does give an explanation about that. So I do think this is something that can be used for upper grades. And then if a kindergarten teacher wants to use it, I do think a teacher needs to be monitoring and supervising while the kindergartner does use this app. All right, thank you for watching.